Okay, let's create a hat using 4 balloons. Basic hat. Okay, we need 4 balloons here that are same size at the end. Allowance would be 4 inches at the end. Now let's put all the balloons together like this. Put all the balloons, lock it up like this. And that's it. Now you need to measure your head for your hat. Just like that. And make a twist here. And make sure it is fit on to your head. Okay, surely fit. Now we need to arrange this. Okay, we need to remove some excess air here. Okay. One more. Just like that. One more. And one more. And now let's make a poodle tail. Just like this. Now let's make another one. Poodle tail here. Let's make another one. Poodle tail over here. And lastly, another poodle tail here. And that's it. We have an instant hat. Party hat.